I write a letter.
Do I write a letter?
I don't write a letter. You read a book.
Do you read a book?
You don't read a book. We sing a song.
Do we sing a song?
We don't sing a song. They work in an office.
Do they work in an office?
They don't work in an office. He drinks milk.
Does he drink milk?
He doesn't drink milk. She cooks food.
Does she cook food?
She doesn't cook food. It melts in the sun.
Does it melt in the sun?
It doesn't melt in the sun. You eat an apple.
Do you eat an apple?
You don't eat an apple. We dance at the party.
Do we dance at the party?
We don't dance at the party. They run fast.
Do they run fast?
They don't run fast. He teaches English.
Does he teach English?
He doesn't teach English. She calls her friend.
Does she call her friend?
She doesn't call her friend. It falls from the tree.
Does it fall from the tree?
It doesn't fall from the tree. I listen to music.
Do I listen to music?
I don't listen to music. You feel happy.
Do you feel happy?
You don't feel happy. We start the work.
Do we start the work?
We don't start the work. They forget everything.
Do they forget everything?
They don't forget everything. He needs help.
Does he need help?
He doesn't need help. She takes a taxi.
Does she take a taxi?
She doesn't take a taxi. The sun rises in the east.
Does the sun rise in the east?
The sun doesn't rise in the east. I learn English.
Do I learn English?
I don't learn English. You play cricket.
Do you play cricket?
You don't play cricket. We walk daily.
Do we walk daily?
We don't walk daily. They see the birds.
Do they see the birds?
They don't see the birds. He says something.
Does he say something?
He doesn't say something. She sells flowers.
Does she sell flowers?
She doesn't sell flowers. It cuts paper.
Does it cut paper?
It doesn't cut paper. I like coffee.
Do I like coffee?
I don't like coffee. You wash your hands.
Do you wash your hands?
You don't wash your hands. We wear jackets.
Do we wear jackets?
We don't wear jackets. They invite their friends.
Do they invite their friends?
They don't invite their friends. He helps the poor.
Does he help the poor?
He doesn't help the poor. She hates lies.
Does she hate lies?
She doesn't hate lies. It rains heavily in July.
Does it rain heavily in July?
It doesn't rain heavily in July.